Want to reduce returns and boost sales? It's simple. Help your customers find their perfect fit every time with a size chart they can trust. Introducing the Product Size Chart module for ShopLentor, a game changer for your WooCommerce store. With customizable size guides, you can give customers the confidence they need to make the right purchase every time. Here's how easy it is to get started. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Module it, and enable the Size Chart module. You can display the size chart as an additional tab or as a pop-up. It's totally up to you. Customize the button position, pop-up title, and even icon to match your store's look. Customize the chart table style to match your branding. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save Settings. Next, go to any product page in your store. Click the Size Chart button to see the sizing information displayed for that product. Want to make changes? Just head back to Dashboard, ShopLentor, Size Chart. Click to edit the size chart. Make your changes and hit Update. Then, refresh your store to see the updated version. With the Product Size Chart module, you'll build confidence in your customers to buy, reduce returns by helping customers choose the right size, and enhance the mobile shopping experience. Ready to transform your store with size charts that boost confidence and cut returns? Activate the Size Chart module for ShopLentor today. No coding required. It's time to give your customers the perfect fit.